Pro-Kannada storm Misfires in Bengaluru. Kannada activists storm venue that wasn't. Red rag on Hindi turns false alarm as pro-Kannada groups rampage in Bengaluru. Language fanatics storm a five-star hotel to protest against an alleged event to promote Hindi. Cops jostle with pro-Kannada groups. As it turns out, this was not what they thought. Sagai Raj is with me on this story. Sagai, what exactly has happened with this particular protest and this video that we are seeing?
So, if you notice that the incident happened this morning when Pro-Kannada activists from Karnataka Rakshana Vedike had marched inside Taj Mahal Hotel and stopped one of the events which was being organized by one of the organizations which is called Rajya Varsha Samiti ki Dusri Upasamiti, and they have alleged that this particular event is just trying to impose Hindi in all offices across Karnataka central government offices, and immediately they try to vandalize the things which was there. Police intervene and stop this entire escalation of protest by Pro-Kannada activists.
All right, thank you for that, Sagai.